Hey guys, so this is the OnePlus 80 versus OnePlus 70, a basic comparison. Which should you choose, which should you buy? Cause pre-booking is live and you must be in confusion which device should you get. Yeah, again this is a basic comparison. The real speed tests, camera tests are coming after launch, so make sure to subscribe. So OnePlus latest flagship 80 comes with so many new changes and features in comparison to 70, but 70 is also a really nice phone. So on the display side, notch is now a hole punch, which is one and the same thing cause they cover same area, and the chin bezels were never big in the 70 and it's not in the 80 either. There's 1080p display in both, however the similarities ends here. The 80 gets 120Hz fluid display and the brightness adjustment level is over 8000 for smooth brightness control. The 70 gets 90Hz display, which is like super fine cause I think 90Hz is the sweet spot, but now we have games like PUBG, Fortnite which do support 120Hz, so that's futuristic for sure. In terms of the performance, 8655G is 25% faster than the 855 Plus CPU. It's not a huge gap, but as a power user I do find differences in 855 Plus and 8655G CPU. Yeah, in daily usage you won't see any lags or hiccups, again depends on your usage, and 5G is important and is the future. So if you use a phone for like 2-3 years, you should get a 5G phone right now, cause in China, US, UK and markets, 5G is already official, so yeah, why not? Now on the camera side, if you compare the specifications, both got IMX586, so similar photos you're gonna see. The 70 in addition do gets a telephoto lens which takes some really nice shots and a wide angle lens too. The 80 has a wide angle lens and two filler cameras like macro and depth. Yeah, I won't say they are useless because many do macro photography and depth do affects background blur and edge detection, but telephoto lens is something they should have given cause 70 features same. The 80 also get an additional sensor, or is it just an additional flash with different temperature? So on paper the 70 looks like a great camera phone with telephoto lens, but yeah, you should wait for 70 versus 80 camera comparison if you want a deep, real test. Now the main improvement is the charging speed. OnePlus is launching 65W super fast charging with the 80 and they claim it can charge like fully in 40 minutes, which is insane. The 70 got 30W of fast charging, it takes 1 hour 15 minutes for a full charge, so that's almost a difference of 2x speed in 80 versus 70. See, for me 30W is also fine, but 65W would be amazing cause like a person who want everything fast, 65W is an amazing add-on. The 70 gets 3800 mAh battery, the 80 got 4500 mAh, so overall a huge improvement in the battery life and charging speed. Now final change comes in the software. The 80 is launching with Oxygen OS 11 and is of course gonna get one more update than 70, which has Oxygen OS 10 right now. The 70 Oxygen OS 11 is scheduled for late this year, so that's not a huge difference, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Now overall, if you ask me, if you already have a 70, you should not force yourself for an upgrade cause it's already a great phone. If you want, you got money, you can, but it's not something important. Now for those who are confused in between 70 versus 80, you all should get 80 if telephoto lens is not your priority, cause 5G, 865 flagship CPU, a new design, 65W fast charging and 120Hz super fluid display is for sure worth considering between these two. Yes, 70 is not bad, but if you can, get the 80. So that's all, thanks so much for watching, I'll meet you guys in the next one, peace out.